Good morning, Kryptonians. This is Crypto Big Boss coming to you again with another great video. 1st of June 2021. I hope everybody enjoyed their Memorial Day. Again, I just want to thank all those service members who are out and about doing their jobs every day and protecting this great nation and affording all of the civilians their right to be free, protecting their ideas, protecting their way of life. And for those soldiers who have fallen, sailors who have fallen, and airmen who have fallen, I want to thank them personally for their sacrifice and their commitment to our way of life. And with that, I want to kick off a new video about Cardano. And many of you who are subscribers to this channel know that the first crypto I ever bought was Cardano, but they did not expose their architecture at the very beginning to give people access and allow them to build using their technology. And this was one of my biggest complaints, and basically I would dog Cardano even though it was the very first crypto that I ever bought. But today we're going to see that Cardano is ready for prime time. Let's get into it. Let's look at the price, currently sitting at $1.73. It's enjoying our little recovery from the crypto crash of 2021. It's sitting at a market cap of 55 billion, 364,091,000. And now we can see that chart right there. We can see back in the glory days, the first bull run back in 2018, it reached a price of $1, and today it is way past that, reaching an all-time high of, let's see where we are there, reaching an all-time high of $2.30 on May 15th, right before the crypto crash of 2021. And now it's in a little funnel here. And it's still, even after the crypto crash 2021, it is still higher than it was in 2018. So this is serious. Okay, even after the crypto crash of 2021, it's still higher than it was in the bull run of 2018. That speaks volumes. We could stop there, but we're gonna go and dig into Cardano and see what's under the hood now. Let's go to the site so we can talk about it and why I have to basically give Cardano the nod. Let's take a look at their website. Let's pull this up. You can see they've got making the world better for all. Cardano is a blockchain platform for change makers, innovators, and visionaries with the tools and technologies required to create possibility for many as well as the few and bring about positive global change. Hey, that's all well and good. I want to get to the good stuff. I want to get to the real reason why I want to give them the nod, and that is right here under that developer tab. Many of you who have joined this channel always probably know that I'm looking straight for the developer tab, because that is where we're going to find out whether a particular blockchain has the baseline for the developers to basically start building on top of it. If you can't build with it, from my experience, I just don't see how it's going to proliferate. I don't see how it's going to really be adopted in a way that is conducive to basically increasing the price to a point where is sustained by the volume, simply because it's integrated into the fabric of what we do every single day. In English, that means this. Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, that's all bull to me. Until I can see them with a platform that developers can actually build onto, something past just a wallet, I just don't think it has that much value. That's my opinion. Now let's go ahead and look at the the developer tab for Cardano and see what they've got cooking here. Okay, this is what I wanted everybody to see. Let's just go ahead and squeeze this down so everybody can see what's going on here. Let's go ahead and squeeze it in. Let's see if we can squeeze it in. I want everybody to see what's baking with Cardano. Cardano is ready for prime time, y'all. When we look at their documentation now, they talk about installing a node. I'm not too happy about the whole command line reference thing, but once we get past this command line reference and understanding how to run staking pools, then what they did do here is new to Cardano. Look at what they have here that says new. It wasn't so long ago that this was not available. Okay, why use Cardano? Cardano nodes, Cardano tracking tools, how to purchase ADA, types of wallets, how to delegate. What is a smart contract? Okay, I just heard the magic words, smart contract. We all know, if you're not a subscriber to this channel, please subscribe. But all the subscribers to this channel pretty much understand that a smart contract enables you to write code that talks to the blockchain. You're able to basically put data and information on the blockchain and receive it back. So whatever venue you're in, whether you're building games or whether you're building business software or some other kind of decentralized application, whether it's for decentralized finance or other, the idea is that if you can build a smart contract, that means that you can write and you can read from the blockchain. Okay, so they've got the magic word here. They got the magic word that you can actually do smart contracts. They'll go into their definition here. A smart contract is an automated digital agreement written in code that tracks, verifies, and executes the binding transactions of a contract between various parties. The transactions of the contract are automatically executed by the smart contract code when predetermined conditions are met. Essentially, a smart contract is a short program whose inputs and outputs are transactions on the blockchain. So if we put that in English, it means, hey, we've got some code behind the scenes that is going to do something when the user does something. That's what they mean by triggers here. Okay, something the user does, maybe he pays with some ADA or possibly some other crypto, triggers something to happen on the blockchain. Some code actually is executed and so forth. So the fact that they have this here is indicating that you can now do this. Let's look at this. It says Cardano is introducing smart contract support in 2021. This is what I was talking about, folks. This is why I was so upset about Cardano earlier. For those of you who say, well, Crypto Big Boss, he's not a supporter of Cardano. What is his problem? Well, my problem is that, look at this. This is new. Cardano is introducing smart contract support in 2021. It's just now getting here, folks. As a multifunctional environment, Cardano will support the development and deployment of smart contracts using such programming languages as Plutus, Marlow, and Glow. I'm not going to go into the actual details about these languages. My point is that it's just now getting here in 2021. The kind of things that you could do with Ethereum years ago is just now getting to Cardano now. Okay? And they've got a funky way of doing it. So it says Plutus, purpose-built smart contract development and execution platform. Plutus contracts consist of parts that run on the blockchain, on-chain code, and parts that run on a user's machine, off-chain or client code. Plutus draws from modern languages research to provide a safe, full-stack programming environment based on Haskell, the leading functional programming language. Now they've got this Marlowe, which is a domain-specific language they're calling it, for writing and executing financial contracts that allows building contracts visually as well as in more traditional code. Financial institutions can use it to develop and deploy custom instruments for their customers and clients. For example, the Marlowe language itself is now embedded in both JavaScript and Haskell, offering a choice of editors depending on developers' preference and skill set. So now that Cardano has the capability to allow developers to actually build on top of their platform, we can no longer pretend like they aren't in the big leagues. They really are. They're not just the number 4 crypto anymore. They are ready for adoption. They are ready for developers to go in there and start building the next great generation of applications on top of the blockchain. And so when we look at the price of Cardano sitting around $1.70, we have to realize that their market cap valuation at 55 billion, they could easily, okay, go, I think, 3 times that. But I'm gonna play it safe and call it a $3.50 price target for close of business 2021. And remember, I believe that everything in the top 10 of this crypto space has the potential to have $1 trillion market cap. That's right. I can see Cardano being almost 20 times what it is today. But for 2021, we're going to stick with a $3.50 price prediction. So if you've enjoyed this video, please throw up the likes and the shares. And if you're not a subscriber and you found that this channel is filling in the gaps with information and analysis that you can't find on other crypto channels, hey, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you receive notifications when you could get a new video with this type of information. So with that, hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll catch you on the next one.